Say a word, keep getting me what I'm looking for. I just gotta tell everybody, I don't wanna keep it on the low. Goddamn, I love them. I love them. Goddamn, I love them. I love them.
Guys, welcome back to another exciting video. It's your girl Stainless Lady Sparkle. I'm here to sparkle the world. Welcome back to another mind-blowing video. So in this video, I'll be unboxing the hair I'm gonna be using next. This hair came all the way from Aja, Lagos. Is actually the hair I'm gonna use for my new hair. This is not like ordinary like attachment. Yeah, this is like, I'll show you guys. I should stay one place. It's not straight. So in this video, I'll be unboxing. I got this package from GUO Logistics. I believe it's airport. Yeah, so I'll show you what is inside. So let's get started. I'm supposed to take a picture first. I don't just do it like this. That is for the thumbnail. It's just pending. Let the unboxing begin. So what do you use scissors for this? Okay. This one. Actually 9 kg. Aja to PHC 9 kg. Well packaged. Well packaged. I wanted to use GIG, but GIG is so expensive. This one doesn't cost much. This one is about 3 times for 6 in Lagos. Actually very affordable. Unlike GIG. GIG wants to cut somebody's head off. They want to kill somebody. So let's go try to see what's inside. Oh wow, nice packaging. Okay, let's see what's inside. It's actually fine. Let's see what's inside. I really like the bag. My mom was like, oh, I'll be using the bag. Oh. Okay, let's see what's inside. Okay, let's open it together. The real one is so fine. Like, she tied it. Wow. This is business to go very far. Okay, let's have it. Okay. Wow, it's actually has open. Actually bought 5 of this thing. What is this? Oh, this is the gift that came with it though. Let me show you all. So it came with a gift though. What is this gift? Is it a lip balm or something? Oh wow, and I wanted to even get this kind of thing. I need to get this kind of stuff. Wow, perfect. Perfect gift. Actually really nice. You sabi better too, Betty. So you can see the brand here. But let me show you guys. Extensions by Bertie. Yeah. So let's see what's inside. this bag. I've already shown you guys the free gift, and I actually like it very well because yes, it's just popping, just the. And I wanted to get pink actually. I was thinking of getting pink wet lips or this kind of thing, and she already gave it to me as a gift. Wow, she's awesome. Thank you, Betty. I really appreciate. Okay, so that was very thoughtful of you. This one should stay in place now. Okay, let's open this. This one carries the bag. Let's open it. And let's seal this very well. I know it's dirty. You no go past dirty. You no go past dirty. You no go past dirty. Don't come with your arms. Okay.
Are you doing already?
Yes. So I ordered for 3 blonde and 1 pink. Okay.
Wow. This time.
That's why I had to get 5 now. I got 5. So 3, 5. So watch out for how the hair is gonna turn out to be. I can't wait. Extensions like that. Leave me alone. No. She actually gave me a gift too.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
I know that it's a come with something.
It's actually lip gloss and it's pink, and I actually wanted to get
Just try to.
this pink stuff. I actually use it on my lips. Can you see it?
Oh, it's so fancy.
It's so cute. Yeah. So I'm gonna see you all in the next video. Do well to subscribe, turn on notifications so you won't miss any update from me. Stay connected and stay updated and stay safe until when I see you in the next video. Stay blessed and God bless you.